Looking for the babes, yes, that who we are.
Lakad-lakad muna kami ni Stan para ako nasa vegan. Look at the style of the house. Para akong vegan nga eh. Ang init dito, grabe. Basahin ko yun ah. Frutas Adolfo. O diba, fruits. I understand it right away. Para talaga ako nasa vegan, mga ka-babes. O, kita nyo yung mga old window. Oh, yun pa. The name of this place is Potes. Sabi ni Stan yan, no? Potes. We left Santander earlier. We'll just go for a walk again to explore the town center. I think this is old town center. Looks like vegan to me. Kasi we have to check in 4 o'clock, still early. Yan talaga, vegan na vegan ang dating, ha? Talagang init dito, grabe. Buti nga, ay sa vegan mainit din. Sa Benguet, malamig. Yung dinaanan naman namin kanina parang Benguet. Muntik ko pang maging kapangalan yun. Libreria Amelia. Oh, may dadaan. Ano yun? Restaurante, Canton Bar. Oh. Gusto ni isang dito pa eh. Lakad-lakad. Ganda rito, tourist spot yata nila to, Old Town Center. Yan mga little shops. Oh, I like that. Ayan. Oh, gusto ko bakya. Iyawan na ako ng Stan, bibiling ko sana yung bakya eh. Ito ang bigay ni Myla sa akin. Ang lambot sa paa. Iyawan ako ni Stan. Ayaw mag-shopping nito eh. He hates shopping. Window shopping, ayaw niya yan.
Stan hates window shopping.
Direct tayo online. Ano your favorite here? Our favorite wines. And pulutan. And eto na, it's getting busier here.
You're right to the cafe right now.
Oh, I don't like that. Okay, buy it then. That one. Oh yeah, that's nice. Ito naman yung area na to, parang Divisoria na mga kababes. From vegan to Divisoria. Ang gaganda ng bag. Bag na naman. I love it. Ang daming magaganda. 2 pounds por favor, no? Sa Carlas, pulseras. Oh, pulseras. I know that. Bracelet. Ang dami kong alam na words dito eh. Pulseras, di ba? Bracelet. Sa totoo lang, itong part na to parang Divisoria eh. Tapos, doon parang vegan. Tapos doon Benguet, oh. Pinagsama-sama na. I like this one. Basket. Oh. Honey, hang on a minute. Hang on. Ang ganda naman. This is made of coconut shell, oh. I don't know how much. No price in here. Ayun, oh. 6 euros. Ganda itong tutugtog mamaya, oh. Basker. Hindi pa siya, ano eh. Naghihintay pa. Dito naman, para na ako nasa Italy, oh. Biglang naging Italy naman to, oh. Ang tawag nila sa beer dito, cerveza eh. Naintindihan ko kanina. Sabi ko, isan, that's beer. Yan yung mga ano nila. Menu. Ensaladas, para picar, sartenes, segundos. Ito, the more we walk to the end, nagiging parang luma siya. I think this is Old Town Center na sinasabi ni Stan. Meron dun, no? Bar Camachos. Sila Camacho, meron palang bar dito.
We are the Legay babes. I am proud of it. To give entertainment is our aim. Give to Filipino community.
Nice and clean here. Kahit compress yung mga bahay. Saka old houses dito eh. Ang linis, oh. Diba? So nice and clean here. Disiplinado yung mga tao. Tapos may mga halaman dito. Gaganda pa ng bahay. Tapos mayroong cactus dito, oh. May cactus sila. Ang ibig sabihin, It's really getting hot here. So yeah. Yeah, I know how to translate in English. Parking prohibited. Obvious ba? So ito naman, seems like nobody is living in this house. I think this is abandoned. Look. And we're going up, 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 up. Mga eskinita siya pero malinis. Look at the, yun diba yung mga paving. So nice and clean. Everywhere. Yan nyo. Oh, may nakakita ba kayong kalat? Okay, we go to the main street na. Baka maligaw pa kami. Ang ganda yung mga bundok doon, no? Look. Behind. It's really clean here. So, meron sila mga tirador, oh. Tirador, baril-barilan, pana. Busy here.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, we're pressing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me small. I
Love t-shirt. Rosetta, sombrero.
Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette.
This is the place we're going to camping. Surrounded by trees and mountains. Tapos this is the reception area. Nobody here. I think we'll be early. Yung sista naghahanap ng mga staff. Ayan, Reaction de Camping Laybana. Ayan. Ito ako natutunaw na sa init. Grabe. Init sa kotse, 45 degrees. Pag ano na, sabi ko kay Stan, have you got any aircon here? Just turn on the air conditioning. Sabi niya, we don't have air conditioning in the car. Mga ka-babes, umiga na ako rito sa damuhan. Grabe, sobrang init. 40 degrees yata.
What? No.
Sa Santander, mas okay lang. Tama lang dito. After 2 hours travel. Sobrang init. Ito, nakahiga ako sa damo. Di ko alam kung saan ako pupunta. Meron dong stream, banda ron. Itong campsite early in the morning, 9:30. Ang ganda. Because you're surrounded by hills. This one to this side, to this side. At the bottom of that is the stream. It's only a small camping site pero maganda talaga. Saka sobrang init nga lang. Very hot, so 35, 34 degrees during the daytime. But at the moment, 9:30, still cool. Perfect to have your coffee. What I like here is it's surrounded by hills. Tall trees there. Just 3 campers here at the moment.
Looking for the babes, yes, that's who we are. Our beautiful dance group and beautiful friends. Never expected to be like this. Started dance for fun only to a professionalism though.
Our second day in camping site. This is the reception area. Tapos din yung kanilang bar. And then here's another hill. The front of the camping site, and this is the main road, and that is the Venda Puente Asquil.
Very.
In the morning?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Our breakfast. This is our breakfast. This is a Cafe Grande. This is their grande. Ganun lang oh. Grande ba yan? Ganyan lang. Walang sabi niya coffee. I like the bar. Ito pa extension ng bar nila yan. Okay, we will start the walk here. We'll start walking here. I think we will go up that mountain. Sabi ni Stan, we will just walking to that bridge. I'm wrong. This is the place where we stop. And that bridge, can you see it? Maglalakad lang daw kami dyan. Okay, start the walk.
We will dance till we can. I believe in our
Enchanted.
chance. I believe we.
You know that I got the hobby of collecting rocks. At least 3 rocks each country. Tulad nito, like this. So I want to have another one. Find the interesting one.
The dance we do is a gift. The humble gift, fellow Filipino. We will dance while we can.
This is where we're sitting. It's just so nice. You know where we are? It's just by the stream. It looks like stream in San Pedro Laguna. I wanna try going down to the stream. You can,
See that blackfish is
yeah.
always in that position. Yeah.
Oh, blackfish, always in that position. Where is it? He spotted the blackfish at least 4 inches. Yeah, that one. Yeah, I can see it. I can see, but I can see in my camera.
What?
But now this time, I try to go down. Go down. Yeah, ito na ako. Kailangan magtampisa. Wow! Ang lamig ng tubig. Ang lamig ng tubig sa stream. Ganda rito. Yung doon kami umiinom ni Stan, no? Doon sa taas. Surprisingly, the water is so cold. In a weather like this, almost 40 degrees. The water is still cold. Going up na, going up. Grabe mga kababes, after sobrang init ng panahon, biglang umulan, no? Grabe, si Stan, no? Hinahawakan yun kasi lakas na ulan. Kailangan hinahawakan ko kasi, no? Ang daming tulo. Tumutulo dito sa ano namin, sa tent. Kasi sobrang lakas ng ulan, grabe. Sabi ko sa kanya, 30 minutes at least monsoon rain. It will stop after 30 minutes. Believe me. Yan, hinahawakan niyo. Tulog. Yung mga pagkain namin doon sa loob. Buti na lang malakas yung pagkakaano namin sa pegs niya. Maganda yung pagkakalagay sa pegs. Kaya hindi tinangay na namin kanina.